Now I'm going to explain I'm continuing with yesterday's topic. Okay. Yeah, this is my project, and we have done with the customer now. We have done with client. So I'm getting okay. I have changed the password right yesterday. My password is 54321. If I click on login, it will go to the login page. Now I have done with home, change password, profile, and logout. Now I'm going to store an image in my profile also. At the time of registration, I want to register along with my profile pic. Okay. For that, what you have to do? Already I have shown you how to upload an image and how to display it. In the same way, I'm going to upload an image now. But before that, I have to add a file field in my models. Here I'm going to add it, image equal to models dot file field. If I don't give any default value here, it will ask in my terminal. If not, it will. If not, it will. If not, we can give here. Okay. I'll do migrations. Select one here and give any data here. I'm giving one. Migrate, and you have to run the server and check whether you got that image field in your database or not. This is my DB, right? Customer, I have added image field. Image field has been included in my table at the end. Okay, now I'm going to register with this data, but before that, I have to do some modifications in my URLs and settings, right? To add any file field, first of all, you have to do some configurations in your settings and in your URLs, no? Yeah. Mhm. In settings.py. I have to add media root here. Okay. Yeah. Root equal to OS. You have to remember this path. Okay. You have to remember this three lines. Okay. OS dot path dot. Simply, if you give media root equal to OS dot, then automatically you will get remaining parameters in your line. Okay. OS dot path dot join. You got brackets. In brackets, you have to add base dir variable. Okay, you will have a variable here, base underscore dir, comma, imports, you have to give media. Okay, media. Here you have to give media URL. How you have static URL here, in the same way, you have to give media URL. Media underscore URL equal to in quotes slash media, and don't forget to keep the slash again. Okay. Now for so many people, you can see a yellow line, yellow line below this OS. Okay, I am not getting that yellow line because I have updated version, or else for any other reason I am not getting this yellow line under OS. If you get any yellow line like that, you have to give import OS. Okay, simply you can give import OS. Okay, in your also you have to add some lines here. If settings small s only, settings dot debug UR URL patterns plus equal to static. You have a package called static. In that static settings dot, you have to give media URL, media underscore URL, comma, document underscore root equal to setting dot media root. We have given media root and media URL in our settings. Now we are getting both the settings in our urls.py, and here you have to import that static and settings also. Okay, simply you can uh, import static by like this from Django. Just give Django, select Django package dot, give a dot. Immediately you will get some suggestions. Django dot. Here you have a package called conf dot URLs dot dot static import. By selecting that static, you will get import. You have to import static. That's it. You have to import that function static. Again, you how settings will be imported means, say from Django dot conf dot directly you can import settings. Okay, okay, like this you can import both of them, and also I have included them in my models. Now I am going to give a field in my register.html. Where is the, yeah, here it is. In register.html, I'm going to give the file field where I can upload my image. After that password, I want to give that image field. Okay. Input type equal to file, name equal to, I have given name as image only, right? Image class equal to CO common input. Based on template, you will have class. Okay. Most of the templates you will have class as form control only. From the form control, based on your CSS, you will have different types of classes. Okay. I'm giving required, and also I don't want to show uh, any other files. I want to see images. That's it. I don't want to see any applications and all. Let's see image slash. I want to accept any type of image, whatever the format it may be. I want to accept that format. Okay. If you want a specific format uh, to get uploaded, then you have to mention your formats here: JPG, uh, WEBP, like that. Whatever the formats you want, you can AVIF. Okay, like that you can give over there. Now I'm going to register with the new. I'll get an error while registering because here I have not added encryption type in my form. You have to keep in mind that if you have any media file, you have to give encrypt type equal to multi-part form data, and also in use you have to mention request dot files along with request dot post. You have to give request dot files. Okay, here you have to give request dot files, comma request dot files. You have to run the server immediately when you make any changes in your use. When you tab in your terminal, the server will get refreshed, it will get reloaded. Then you can do the remaining operations. Here in register, I have a file field. Now I want to register. If you observe, I got all images files only. Okay. Yeah. Register. Registration was successful. Now I'll go to login, and when I click on login, we'll go to home page. And when I click on profile, I can see my profile, but I can't see my image because I have not added any image to get viewed. Now I'll go to profile. Yeah, customer profile. Code. Here itself, I will give that image. For image, you have to give image tags. Okay. If not, you can see your image. And also, you have to give in this format of next dot image dot URL. Okay. If the image is very big, you can see the image. You have to make settings according to your website. Okay. Yeah, I got my image is too large. Now I want to make it some. I'll give height equal to some 200 cells, and height and width equal to some 200 pixel, and I'll refresh the page. Yeah, my image is somewhat now it's looking somewhat better. If you want to make it more small, you can do it. And also today I'll show how to use cards and all based on real time. How we can do projects based to look like real time. Okay, for example, we have some Amazon website. If you browse any product, you will get the product image and details of that image, right? In the same way, I'm going to show you some image, our profile pic and details of ours. Okay, but to do that, we have to do another module. I said that you have to do that admin module. Okay, I'll show you how to log in for admin without registration. Okay, I want to give some static data and I log in by using that data. Okay, okay. First of all, I'll create some table for that. I want to create table with the fields email and password. Just I need email and password. When I click on email and password, it has to go to login page. Okay, plus admin plus dot model email equal to models dot email field and password equal to models dot char field. If I use char field, I have to give max length equal to some 100 or 50, whatever the length you want, you can take there, so that it will accept that many characters only as meta. And you have to give a table name if you on your wish, whatever the name you want, you can give, or else if you don't want, avoid these two lines. Okay, I have created admin table now. As it is new table, it is not asking for any default values. If you add any field, any new field into the table, then it will ask for default values. Okay, yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm done with the admin right now. I'll, I'll make a template admin login. Don't use directly admin. Okay, you have to take any names, any name like this. Let's see whether it is working or not. If you use admin like admin for URLs, an admin panel will get opened. Okay, like this. Okay, it will not get logged in because you have to create some super user for it. Then only it will get logged in. But why I have said that to don't use that admin means if you use admin in your URLs, if you click on it, maybe it will redirect to this administration, Django administration. Okay, that's why avoid to use that name admin. Okay, yeah, admin login. I can use this customer .html content in my admin because both have same content, email and password and login. That's it. Just you have to make some front end changes, nothing but names and all. Okay, admin login. Here I want to give admin login, email, password for admin. I don't want to add any registration for my admin, so I am removing that. Remaining all are same. Now I want to create views and URLs for my admin login. Same as customer login only, we are going to do that admin login. No changes in that, okay? But you have to import. There is no need of creating any form for admin because we are not going to use form here. We are not doing any registration, no? That's why. Admin. If third post, if you have, yeah, I want to post email and password, right? Email equal to request dot post. Same thing I'm repeating once again. Okay. Password equal to request dot post password login equal to whatever the names you want you can use here. Okay. In place of login you can use any variable. Okay. Admin dot six dot dot you can also use get. Let's see whether it will work or not. Okay. Email equal to email comma or equal to password. If login dot exists, here also we have to create a session by using email. You can also create session by any name or mobile number or whatever the you want parameter. You can use that field into your session. Okay. Request dot session email, and here I am going to give a variable for that, and it will go to admin home. Okay. Return render request admin dot html, and I want to pass a message. Success. Return render request. Here I'm going to admin login. If the login failed, I'll get this one. Okay. Admin login. Don't forget to give .html. I'll pass a message for invalid data or invalid credentials or email password doesn't match. Whatever the message you want, you can give here. Empty, empty flower brackets. Okay. This is my admin login. Now I need admin home.html. Admin home is nothing but same as like admin customer home. Okay. I will create an admin home. admin home. And here I will give whatever the content I have in my customer home, I will give all of them. Only the difference is headers. Okay. Welcome to, yeah. This, now I said that for our admin, there will be no registration. I've said it right. Then how you can how you can log in without any registration? You should have some email and password, right? Now I'm going to give email and password here itself from admin@gmail.com and password admin. Okay. I want to give the data here itself. This is called static data. Means I'm not giving any registration for it. Directly I'm giving the data in my database and I'm saving the data. With the help of that data, I am going to log in to the admin page. Okay. Okay. First of all, I have to create admin login URLs, right? I'll give some space for admin URLs so that we can understand customer difference between customer URLs and admin URLs. Okay. To find the URLs easily. Okay, that's it. There is no problem writing in the middle of the URLs also, but to get some clarity, that's again in main header I have to view this admin login. Tag admin mitra URL admin log. Okay. Now I'll go to this page and refresh my page. I got okay, I got nothing because the internal I think it was reloading. Yeah, okay. Or else I have some mistake. Views, it is not view. It was showing clearly that you have this mistake in your URLs. Okay. Yeah, I got this admin also. If I click on admin, I'll get like this admin login. If I click on login, let's see, admin match query doesn't exist. That means, okay, I'll use filter because if you have only single data, you can use get if you have it is checking among different rows, right? I got a message. I got a message here, invalid credentials because I have given admin@gmail.com and admin as password. If I click on login now, it will go to admin page. But here you should have admin home change password profile. If you have customer header, that's why you are getting like this. For this, you have to add another header called admin header. Admin Based on module, you can create headers. Okay. I can use the same header to make this. I don't want all these here. Just I have created only admin home, right? And you admin home. Okay. Now I have not written use for admin home. Directly I will write use for admin. Yeah. That admin home request and request admin dot html. Okay, and also now I have to create URLs for this view. If not, it will show an error when you go to that login page. Okay. Already we have done this in our customer. Don't get don't get confused. Okay. Try to practice it, and afterwards try to create your own views without seeing our class. After that, you can able to do any operation. Okay. Yeah, here it is. I'll go back. Okay, I have to add this admin header into my admin home, right? This is admin login. If I click on login, it will go to admin home page. We have only admin home here. That's why uh, we can able to use that functionality. We can also add logout here. Already we have done this in our customer. I will show you the logout also. Here also you can write the same functionality. There is no need to create any HTML page for our logout. Okay. Okay. Request. Here I am going to delete the session and redirect it to customer login. Okay. Now I can add. I have to create URLs for this admin logout, and I can add that URL in my admin header. Okay. href URL admin logout slash. Okay. Mhm. Yeah, I got logout here. If I click on logout, it will go to admin. Sorry, I've given customer login. Admin login. Okay, admin login. I click on. Just getting to. Yeah, it went to admin home. Again, I will show you. If I click on login, it will go to login. And if I click on logout, it will come to admin login again by deleting the session. Okay. Now, now, okay. Tomorrow I will explain you a new concept. That's nothing but a general concept. Same as like Instagram. Whenever you try to give a request to your private accounts, then they will when they accept only they can access you can access their profile, right? I mean, you can see their posts and reels, right? The same way I am going to do some accept and reject operations in our project. Whenever the customer gets registered, he will not directly enter into the home page by giving those credentials. Okay, he the admin should accept the customer, then only he can able to go to login page. And also I want to explain you another concept. It's nothing but I've said it already, right? I mean, uh, uh, that card concept. Okay, if I want to see customers, I want to see in card format. Let's see whether we have that format in our. Yeah, I want to see image, our image in place of this image, and our name and our details like this. Okay. Uh, Whatever the cards you want, you can use. You can use also this format or else this format. Whatever the formats, you can choose your format. Okay. In about also you have some details. Yeah. I will show by taking these cards only. Okay. I will show you three profiles. Not only three, how many profiles you register, you will get that many profiles here. If these three are filled, then the remaining profiles will save under this. Okay, below these again three profiles will be formed. Okay, uh, in single row you will have only three profiles. Okay, I will show by taking this template or this cards only. Okay, tomorrow's class I will explain you. And also try to do the change password in your admin page, because you don't you can't do that profile now. There is no chance to do profile in your admin page. Simply do that change password by taking reference as your as done in our customer. Take that as reference and you can continue with your change password functionality in your admin page. Okay, that's all about today's class. If anyone have any doubts, you can ask me. Yeah, okay, then that's all about today's class. Have a nice day. If you have any doubts, you can message me. Okay.